Hi guys, today is a little bit different. Oh, wrong background. Sorry. There, that's the proper background. Okay, today I'm gonna be joined with my friend Natalia. Yeah, there's two Natalias in this house now.
So today we'll be trying out a few slimes from my book, Slime Things.
Yeah, she has a book of slime.
I got it for Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh my god, where is this?
And
oh wait, that's not it.
it already has
wait,
a whole.
Yeah,
somewhere.
here's it. But give a big subscribe to Kira Ganti or something.
Let me know.
I don't know how you. There's a hole in it because my
Oh
dog.
yeah, I see.
My dog done it. Wait, where is this? Where is it?
This is a big book of slime.
I know we're gonna be doing coffee slime.
Coffee slime.
So here is shaving cream. Shaving cream. Oh my gosh, shaving. Oh my. I cannot shoot right. Here, just shaving cream.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to find coffee slime.
Here is some corn flour, which is basically the same as cornstarch. We have PVA glue. PVA glue.
I found coffee slime.
Yeah, good. That's
this is the coffee slime.
Some glitter, and this one's for you.
Oh.
So when you open it, show everybody because it's a really nice thing. I will tell you what it is. So here we have a few glitters. We will not be adding glitters. I didn't take everything for the coffee slime because I knew you would have it. So basically this card says...
I'll read it. Natalia, would you love to come to...
Natalia would love you to come to her birthday party.
Next week is the 18th of January
2019.
Yes. And time is 1:30 in the afternoon.
PM. At Rise. Yay! I've only been once at Rise, but still, it's really fun.
And there's the phone number that I'm not going to show, so I'm going to cover it up with my phone.
So basically that's how it looks. Well, it's got big... I'll show you the front. Wait, I'll make sure. So, like, here's, like, the front here. Yeah. I love unicorns, so you get it.
Yeah, I like unicorns.
First, I feel like that was, like, glitter on it, but there wasn't. So, let's get on. So, here's our coffee slime. We will need 300 milliliters of water. Can you get that? 30 milliliters, not 300. 30 milliliters of water.
Okay, of water.
Oh, wait, and instant coffee in a mug or something.
Okay.
No,
I'm going to be right back. I'm going to pause it.
So, we're back from the kitchen, and we have our...
ingredients.
Yeah, we have this mug.
There's water in here.
30, roughly about 30 or something. And
yeah, we got like 50, I don't know.
Instant coffee and a mixing bowl and a spoon.
Yeah.
So first we need to mix the water and the instant coffee in the bowl. Wait, how much coffee though? 1 teaspoon of coffee. So first add the water. That's a tiny bit of water, but still.
Okay,
a teaspoon.
Be careful.
Yeah, like...
Just do it over the bowl in case any fall.
Do you think that's a teaspoon?
Yes.
Maybe a bit less.
That's good. Okay.
Then mix it.
Okay, I'll do the mixing.
Yeah, and then I'll see. Then add the PVA
like coffee
glue
already.
I know.
I think it's
120 milliliters of glue.
I don't know. Oh,
120
wait,
milliliters.
First I need to move this down so they can see.
So here. So then I'll get 120 milliliters of glue. So I need this. 120. 120. Seriously?
I think it's that. Just do it.
Just like in between here. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, like there's like 4 ounces. Do that 4 ounces.
I'll just undo the whole top. 4 ounces.
Okay, that's gonna be a lot of glue.
Do you think that's enough?
Yeah, that's enough. That's just enough. That's like 4 ounces.
I know you said that. So here is our 4 ounces glue or something.
Okay, this is glue, so let's
Yeah. Wait, I need to close it.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna keep on mixing.
So that's enough mixing, and then we need to add this.
Then we're gonna have to mix more, right?
You'll just keep mixing. Come on, we need the whole thing. Sorry.
Why did you go grab paper towels?
Wait, you do, because I need it. Oops. Right, you maybe grab paper towels. You go and grab paper towels. Right, I gotta go for paper towels. What is doing? What's wrong? I'm going for paper towels.
Hurry up, please. You might hear some background music from Pokemon. Yeah, I'm getting Pokemon on my phone. Oh, Natalia, is everything going okay over there?
Yeah, I forgot you have this thingy to put this on.
Okay.
If you hear that music, it's from
My phone, and I just did that.
It's not Minecraft. It's not Minecraft. It's Pokemon.
Okay, there. That's okay.
Wait, that looks so cool.
I know.
Wait, yeah, is that? So basically,
We're gonna move this over here.
Yeah, so you wanted it, right? So mix it. Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Right.
you mix and I'll dry my hands off.
Yeah. It isn't really starting to be
Because
good.
I think we did too much water. Maybe add a little. Oh,
This looks like the color of coffee.
it's coffee.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good now. Look, guys, I don't think you can see, but it's still very watery. I think.
Yeah, we had too much water.
We're gonna see if this works, right? So then we slowly add the.
Wy używacie tą miseczkę.
How did you not see?
Czemu nie plastikową?
We couldn't find any. Right, so that was just.
A to przepraszam, później można umyć, tak?
No.
Yeah, man.
Right, so okay. Then we slowly add the liquid starch. Liquid starch! First it said laundry starch, so I guess that is liquid starch.
They have something liquid.
Mamy ten laundry...
Liquid?
No patrz, wygląda jak to.
Tak, mamy.
To możemy?
Trochę.
A to czekaj, ile? 120.
Mililitrów?
So that was just in Polish, so yeah, we'll get our stuff. So
I'm gonna try to
you
make.
just keep on mixing it.
Okay,
I'll start
You know what?
to add more.
I'm gonna try to put paper towel under it, so in
Well,
case.
that's not working.
No to właśnie z tym odmierzymy.
Okay.
Okej, to 120 ml, tylko muszę to umyć.
Nie trzeba, bo i tak to
A,
przypinasz
tak,
tam,
to
nie?
120 ml. Widać ile?
Moja mama widzi.
Right, so the laundry liquid is blue, so we're not sure if
It's gonna turn out like coffee, but I think we added too much water.
No, because no, it's supposed to be watery. Have you ever made slime before?
No.
First it's very watery, and then when you have the activator thing,
Thank you.
So
This is like activator.
it's basically blue, so we're not sure.
Oh, that looks
That's
so
made it
good.
blue. If what, we could add a bit more coffee
Yeah.
and less water. Do you think that's enough?
Just. Okay, I think that's good because we don't want it to go over dry.
Ah.
Mom to help.
Daj to.
Mom to the rescue.
Yeah, my mom.
Or auntie, I guess.
Oh, that's how you do
Yeah.
it. Why did we not think of that?
I did think
Thank
of it.
you.
I did think of it, but then I'm like, the spin's dirty, so why would we want to waste that time? So here, yeah. So
Yeah.
and then once we're finished, I'm gonna need something. Right, I guess that's enough. Fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Czy mogę wziąć też do umycia? Czy
To-
jeszcze będziecie coś używać takiego?
Nie, chyba nie. Poczekaj.
We're gonna use this to put the slime in.
So no. Oh, guys, just made it blue, but we can always add more coffee to it.
Yeah, just a little sprinkle over it.
Yeah. Or wait.
It's already
no.
turning into like slime.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some more coffee in.
Wow, guys.
Okay, I'm
As
sprinkling.
you can see this is already.
Okay, do not mix because I'm gonna add. Okay, now
That was
mix.
not a sprinkle.
Sorry, this is just a big hole.
You
to-
can't even sprinkle it. Like you can't actually mix it anymore.
Well, it smells like coffee.
Guys, this did not turn out very good. As you can
Shaving cream. We never use shaving cream.
yeah, because it's not fluffy slime.
Okay, we're gonna
So
do.
as you can see, this is a bad color for coffee.
We might do a fluffy slime next video. That looks
Can
cool.
we still do it in this video?
No, we only get 15 minutes.
Wait.
It might. If I add more coffee, it might work.
Yeah, because it is turning color slow. As you can see, it's very good. Right,
Okay, I'm gonna try my very best. There.
Yeah.
I sprinkled some.
This time, you had to actually add more than last time. As you can see, that is very high. So, as now you can see us. So I'm gonna
Yeah.
see if
I'm gonna try to. Which one? Wait, I'll be right back.
she has to get another cup because we can't do that. Like, first we wanted the slime, right? So we're allowed, but they did not tell that we can't use, right? This is very weird. So remember to subscribe to Kira something. I'll show you her name. Wait, I'll show you her YouTube channel. The Karina Bear. The Karina Bear.
We just have to switch the cup now, so we're gonna have this cup instead. No, flower cup.
It's mug. So basically, it does turn out. Wait.
A little bit weird if you don't do it properly, like we did. We added way too much water at first.
Yeah, because it said 50 ml.
And the thing was blue.
And once all the cornstarch has been added, start kneading the mixture with your hands.
Okay.
So
okay, I'm not gonna do that because
why am I doing all the mixing right? What should we do with the spoon?
I don't know. Just keep on mixing with a spoon.
No, we need to.
No, mix it with a spoon for a bit more. Mix with the spoon for a bit more.
I'm putting there.
Okay, fine.
That does not feel like slime.
It doesn't look like slime to me. It doesn't even look like.
I could have not done that.
Yeah, I
Can
told
you
you.
please help me?
It's not working out properly. We're supposed to mix it with hands, but I don't feel like it. Because this doesn't look like slime.
We did everything good, but I think it doesn't work. Maybe because this isn't like we could have just used corn flour. I think that would work better. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna get it out of the bowl.
Please don't.
No, I'm keeping it under the bowl. Yeah, this is it feels very weird.
Oh my, that is definitely not slime.
Let's just put it in the mug already.
Oh,
you can keep this.
Okay. Okay, here it goes. This doesn't look like coffee
at all, right? I will have to wash my hands.
Okay, you may go wash your hands now.
Yeah, you show them how it looks. That is a waste.
This doesn't look like coffee at all. So
it's blue.
Yeah, do not use blue. I'm on your phone. So do not use blue. I'll be right back and goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this little video of making coffee slime what went terribly wrong. Goodbye. So yeah, bye.